Right.
We're going to
Which one?
7, 8, 6.
7.
Girls this way.
This way.
Oh, look at that.
Ooh. I feel lost without all the bags and cases and everything.
Oh, see on this side, there's something hello. Well, this side.
Are we?
See it. How you doing? How you doing?
How are you doing? I'm so excited, my pants are falling down.
This is very exciting.
Yeah.
This is going to be some walk every day.
Yeah.
We're gonna need
Oh, yeah. Yeah, after all that food. Yeah. So did we tell the valet which number? Or do we
Not
still
yet, we
need
have
to...
to call from
Oh,
them,
right,
from here,
right.
yeah.
Oh, that's okay then. The girls have got this. We just... They are. Oh.
They found
Did you find it?
Yes.
Oh no.
That's because we need some.
You're gonna open the door and let Aunt Kristen video you go in, okay?
Well, we can all go in and video and explore. Right.
Alright, let's go.
Try again.
That's it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I did not expect it to be
Oh wow.
so amazing.
Oh
I did
wow.
not expect it to be this big.
Wow, this is
Kristen,
huge.
shit.
Oh, we've got loads and loads of space because we just bought loads and loads of food. So as you walk in, there's a bathroom on straight as you walk in on your left hand side. On the right hand side is this beautiful kitchen, and then you've got a washer dryer with 2 lots of laundry detergents inside. I love washer dryers. Oh, I think you, yeah. The girls want me to go straight outside because they're so excited. Oh my gosh, look, it's got your family name on there. Oh, wow.
guys.
Oh my goodness.
I will go down today.
And the beach is right now.
Oh,
Let me check on the room.
I'm so excited, I'm crying.
Oh my, I'm so excited. Look, it's a lazy river.
Oh my goodness.
Where's the snorkeling? I want to see the snorkeling.
What do you think? What do you think?
Me and Daddy are going to go
So
snorkeling.
exciting.
Me and
I
Daddy
can
are-
see the beach. Oh goodness.
Look at the 7th floor. 7th floor, so it's nice.
I could see the hills up there. This is just amazing.
So the gentleman at the front desk said that the sun sets over this side.
Oh my goodness.
So we're going to be able to watch it from here. We were originally supposed to be over there in that tower, and they moved us over here. And he said the sun sets over here. It's beautiful.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, this is just... Isn't it wonderful?
The lights on for you, Chris.
Oh, thank you. Right, can you show me round? Addison's going to show us round. Right, what's in this cupboard, Addison? Oh, we can play hide and seek in there.
Ready?
Ready. Where's Addison gone? Kylie, I've lost Addison. That's brilliant. Right, that's fantastic. We're next.
Oh.
Is you...
Wait. Kylie's not ready. Kylie didn't finish getting herself dressed.
Oh.
Hold on.
Okay,
right.
let's just go over
Right.
here.
Oh my Kylie.
Oh, that is fantastic. I know, I videoed that bit. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Where are you? Oh, wow. The tulips. Oh, Kylie's in the bathtub already. You're going to have a bath?
No,
And the shower is absolutely huge. The shower is so big. Oh, it's you want to play restaurants?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, we can play. We can. We can play restaurants. Hello. What would you like to order from the restaurant? Oh, watch your hands. Watch your hands. Are you okay? Be careful. Be careful, Kylie, because you don't want to trap Addison's hand. She's already got one bad hand. Right. In here is a toilet, like Addison said. Yeah. Okay, I'll go out there now.
Hello.
Let me just see what's in here. It's a wardrobe and a pack bed. Right. I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna order something from the restaurant. Oh, Addison's got a. I think maybe we shouldn't open and close these because. Oh wow, that is perfect. Oh, that's so perfect. And the bed is huge. Are we all gonna share this bed? I think 6 of us should sleep in here.
No,
I think so. Yeah.
It's you and Pandy. You and Pandy.
Yeah.
Don't
Oh
they
my
have a cup?
God.
Don't they have a cup on?
Hey, I gotta go buy.
Yeah.
Party again?
Oh.
Did she try out every
There's a Mickey.
She might be trying out.
And then, is this a separate? Yeah, it's a separate. It's a separate balcony. It's a separate balcony there. I know. I know. How many people can you fit in that shower? How many people can you fit in there?
See how many people could fit in.
How many?
Let's have a toilet.
I think you could fit 6.
Let's see.
Right.
Let's
Right.
actually see.
Okay, I'm gonna go in there with my shoes on. Watch the floor is a bit wet. You could have 1, 2, 3 sat down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people, I think.
Let's see if everybody can fit
Well,
in here. Like everybody.
We should try that out. We should try that out. I'm just gonna go and finish videoing.
Yeah, and then we'll.
Oh, it's still going.
You're still going.
Yeah.
There's so much.
Oh, it's
Isn't this
amazing.
gorgeous?
Absolutely. Absolutely. I just said now to Ken, I think we should all sleep in that bed because it's big enough.
Did you go through this?
No, I
Did you go
didn't.
through? This
I
room
didn't.
has 2 double beds.
Oh wow. And the TV and you've got Mickey, yeah.
Do you have a Mickey
Oh. And you've got your own balcony? Oh. Yeah, we have a Mickey.
This one is connected to.
That's in that bathroom now.
Is he? That's okay. And there is another bathroom, but
All the bathrooms.
nobody needs to see
I thought
again.
that was the same bathroom. Is that the
don't
same
know.
bathroom as this one?
I don't know.
The front entrance is just.
No, but I
Oh,
think that's this one though, no?
No, I don't think
There's
so.
3 bathrooms?
You think so?
Yeah, because
I think so.
Hide under the bed.
Is
You could
you?
hide under the bed.
Is that where you're gonna sleep?
Maybe.
Well, you could.
Look,
Oh wow,
hide and seek. This is another place.
that would be a good
It
one.
is a different bathroom.
Yeah. So 3 bathrooms?
There's 3 bathrooms.
Oh my goodness.
there's a separate one.
Amazing.
Wow.
That's amazing.
And that one.
Wow, wow, wow. Can I go and have a look in
You
your
can, yes, of
in your
course.
toilet?
It's all cleaned out. My toilet.
Oh,
my toilet is all clean.
wow. And you've got a bath and a shower. Oh, wow. Oh, perfect. Isn't that perfect? These look a bit like Mickey ears as well. I don't think they're meant to be. Do you think there's a hidden Mickey in there? Sometimes they hide them in the shower. Oh, wow. And then in here, there's a wardrobe. Another place. Honestly, when we play hide and seek, we're going to spend ages trying to find each other.
This is a good place to hide.
Yeah.
This is a really good place
Oh.
for hiding.
Well.
Anyway, look up the bed too. Look up the
And
bed.
does this, I think this comes up.
This is actually a little bit big.
Isn't it? Pillows.
Yeah, extra pillow and blanket.
Ooh, fingers, it's not a problem, mate.
Right.
And then look at the table that pulls out over here.
Yeah.
Just
Oh.
for drinks. Yeah.
Well, we've already worked out at the moment the island is having few issues with electric because of all the rain. So Pandy's going to give up his job and become an electric person, electrician. Yeah, take on an apprentice who happens to be
I just happen
here.
to be here right now.
Yeah.
Right place at the wrong time.
And the girls are just going to go shopping and spend all the money that they earn.
Come on, look at this.
Where are you going?
Oh, wow. I know. Oh, that's brilliant. That is absolutely brilliant. 8, 9, 10. Ready or not coming. Right, now we got to try and find them. And they could be anywhere in here. So what? I was That was scary. Somebody just touched my foot. I don't like it. I think it's...